Right now, Frank and I are giving away a GoPro Hero 8 Black Series. All you have to do to enter the draw is go to Viperghini on Instagram, tag 2 people, put us in your story, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it. And today we're at Mclaren. We're going to be picking up something special today, adding a car to the channel. You're just gonna have to wait and see what we're adding. Look at these things. That one has a ski rack on it. All right, we gotta go inside now to go see what we're picking up today. And it was gonna be this blue one. So we're in the Mclaren showroom. They have a lot of stuff with, look at this 720 has a roof scoop and a big bow. You can get the bow with it. But what we're here for is in the back underneath a big black sheet. You can see it in the back behind the orange 720.
So at FAF, they got this carbon fiber bonnet, $11,500.
So we're gonna check out the inside. Look at even with the wheels. It's like kind of old school Mclaren F1 wheels. But right behind here is how you get into it. I'm gonna check one of these out for the first time. I've never been in a 720S. I'm gonna sneak in. I'm not sure if I'm allowed. Oh yeah, that fits nice. Awesome. It's all great. Look at the door. This door is gigantic.
Yes, because they incorporate this into the coupe, so it makes it easier to get in and out.
This is the front view of it. And when you shut the door, it's almost like a space shuttle. $425 for this.
Hey, cuz.
Oh, man.
My new whistle.
So that's 10 grand there, but it's the only one that's gonna happen.
Wait, it's $10,000 just for this?
For both, yeah.
Look at the seats in this carbon fiber, dry carbon, lots of padding.
Shit.
Nice race style.
What is this,
seats. 600 LT MSL.
Look at that seat. All right, so the paperwork's done. We're about to get to the unveil. We're gonna take this blanket off the car and see what car we just added to our channel. This is the best part of spending Mark's money. All right, so you buy a car at Mclaren, you get a complimentary bottle of wine. Actually, it's not Mark anymore, it's Dad.
Congratulations, Mark.
That's awesome. Congratulations to Mark on his new car. All right, we're ready. We're gonna see Mark's new car. Anytime you're ready. Mark, are you watching? Mark's watching.
I'm watching. Are we ready, Mark? Yep, we're ready. All right. Welcome to your new Mclaren.
Oh, that's awesome. Look at the white on it, Mark.
Oh, you got your plates on it already? Yeah.
Oh, I see a looking's already on it. All carbon. Jesus Christ. And the best part about this whole thing is because we're in Canada, look at these tires, snow tires.
This is a 2020 McLaren 600 LT Spyder, finished in silica white with great carbon fiber options on the outside and a nice uniform dark palladium tile portion. So it really shows off the Coca-Cola design.
Yeah.
Obviously the LT is a lightweight version of the 570 on steroids. So we're talking 600 PS, so 30 more than a 570, but it sheds a lot of weight and adds a lot of aerodynamics. So everything the 570 lacked in terms of being a great track car was solved by this product.
Oh, that's nice, Mark. That's nice.
Didn't that interior sharp?
Yeah, it's the red's wicked.
Yeah.
All right, let's jump into Mark's car. Nothing like sitting in Mark's car before he does.
Hey James,
Yeah.
congratulations on your new car.
Yeah, thanks, Mark. I really like it. So this car is brand new. I don't see how many miles are on it yet. Look at all the specs here. Infotainment system. This car is just amazing. But this car will be on the channel a lot because Mark does cruise a lot and Mark loves to drive it. Mark is retired, so we're gonna have a lot of footage with this car over the summer. Actually, even in the winter. Let's get an outside view. check the car out. Mark is fluent in McLaren 600 LT. Now, I don't need the mask. And we're just gonna do a little photo shoot before we get on our way. Look at that. Just awesome. Of course, my Lamborghini is nicer, but I guess that McLaren's all right too. Now, the funny thing is, Mark went to Lamborghini to buy a Lamborghini Huracan, and they wouldn't let him through the front door because of the way he dressed. So he came here and bought this 600 LT. All right, Frank, what do you like about this car?
Everything about this car, the exterior with the white with the carbon, the wet carbon, the louvers in the front, the interior with the black on red, everything's awesome. The next thing Lamborghini needs to take note, cup holders in this thing.
All right, so we'll take the first ride in Mark's McLaren. Oh, this is nice, Mark. Downshift on this thing is incredible. That was the crackle you're just hearing.
Fucking grip's good too.
And he's got the, what is it, Pirelli P0s?
Soto Zero or something, the winter tire.
Oh, okay, Soto Zero winter tires. Really, really grippy. I mean, the roads are wet, but still, they're cold. Tires are cold, and they're gripping like crazy. You know, wow, what a day. I mean, going to pick up Mark's new McLaren, just what an experience. Even just going in the showroom and looking around at all the other McLarens with the big bows on them. Anyways, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this content. You know, we'll just see you on the next one.